Hey, this is Ronald from Mansfield University. And for those of you who continue to have problems with the Amana washing machine, I put this video together to put everything kind of in one place for you. With that said, my first step for you is to unplug the washing machine for 5 to 30 minutes. Secondly, try one of the two reset codes, if not both. Third, look at the 3 common faults and fixes for washing machines or the Amana in general. Or you can look at the sequence of operations to find the culprit. You can also check out my Amana washer and dryer service center playlist. With that said, if you have any questions, ideas, suggestions, or comments, please leave them below. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Here's reset code number 1. Take it to 12 o'clock. Go around one time. I'm going to go left, right, 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 3 times. Left, right, and then you're going to see all the lights come on, or most of them come on the bottom. Now go right, right, and we're trying to go down to the final spin mode. Now press start. And here's reset code number 2. Start at 12 noon, go around 2 times back to 12. Then turn to the right 2 times, right, right. Then go left 1 time. Then right, right, right to the right 3 times. Left 1 time. And right 1 time. Now the lights should flash. Press start. What you see here is the actual sequence of operation of a washer machine. Almost any top-load washer machine. But specifically, these are the parts and components for your Amana washer machine. Check out my video of the sequence of operation, but the components you see highlighted in red are the 3 that commonly fail. They're really inexpensive to replace, and they're a must for your washer machine. The lid switch, if that burns out, then your washing machine won't work. If your dry belt breaks or is in shabby condition, the motor will not turn, and then your motor couplers are a piece of plastic junk and they break constantly, but you need those to operate your washing machine. Look at these 3 components first when you think you have a physical problem and you're beyond unplugging the washing machine or trying to insert reset codes. You can check out this video and other videos in my Amana washer and dryer service center playlist. Replacing a water pump. Go to the back of your machine and take out these screws. Now I jacked it up a little bit with the water underneath it because the pump is here on the bottom to the left. So take those screws off, and wherever you see this black hose coming out, that goes directly to your water pump. Doesn't matter what type of washing machine you have. So once I take this off, first thing I want to do is make sure that there is nothing caught in that hose, like a sock or anything like that. But I'm going to go ahead and take this off. This clamp, you just grab a pair of pliers and squeeze it and move it down. And there's normally 3 screws here. Take those 3 screws off and it will pop off. And then you can pop the cap here and pull the electricity connection out, and you should be good to go. It should pop right off. Check the inside of this little tube here to make sure there's nothing caught in here. And there's a clamp, so just squeeze that, it moves up and down. And there are also 3 screws on a lot of these pumps, these drain pumps. So you can take those off just to make sure nothing's caught in between the tube and this white part here. And I did that too. Let's go ahead and pop it off. And what we're doing here is a process of elimination. Now, I did look up the drain pump just to make sure, and it cost 35 bucks, but I even found one for 25 bucks, even cheaper. So I know where to get it.